been a ball ache, I can tell you that now.
Morning! Yes, we are in Tansley Car Boot. It's new goods only, so we could only bring the t-shirts and the stuff out the shop today. So,
but the t-shirts have done well today.
Yes, we're quite pleased actually. Yeah, it was a bit of a slow start, quite foggy, and we thought it was going to rain on us, but the rain's held off.
Let's go in here. There we go. It's windy, you see.
Yeah, a bit windy.
Yeah, not that kind of wind either. You know.
Come next week.
Come next week. Yeah, so we're selling a few bits and pieces to raise money for truck build. And you wait till we show you later just exactly what we've done. We built the bed.
We built the bed.
So yeah, selling a few bits and pieces at Tansley Car Boot. It's a bit rubbish today. It's a bit chilly. It's a bit grey. It's a bit foggy. It's a bit naff. But people have come out, which is great. Great for us, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah. So anyway, I'll show you a little bit later on. But I was playing with my knob on my steering wheel, and I've kind of like made the van not work so well. The truck wasn't revving properly or idling as it I thought it was supposed to, and I was a little bit concerned that there was an underlying issue. So I asked on their Facebook forum for these particular types of vans, anybody know what the idling speed is? And yeah, I got told that there's a knob to fiddle with. Okay, I think I did fiddle with it in me stupidness, and here it is. You see it? That thing there. Let's get it started up. So I've just twizzled it. Even more. And that's it, maximum. I think. Just turning down. There you go, turning it down. So yeah, I was twizzling my knob without realising it.
It's not a game, sir.
Twizzling my knob without realising it. I didn't realise that until I asked on the forum, and they said, have you twizzled your knob? I went, oh, wasn't I supposed to twizzle my knob? Not like that anyway. Yeah, she has a lot to put up with. Yeah, so I twizzled my knob, and now it doesn't idle properly. So this,
in fact, it cut out a couple of times as well.
yeah. So this idling muppet messed with his knob, and now the truck doesn't idle. A few things have changed, and here they are. That way. Yeah. Bed frame has been built. As you can see, using some pretty sturdy batons, this is not going to move. I certainly hope not anyway. So my job today, I don't know if you can see that, my job today is to build some drawers to go in there, and if I can, down here, wardrobe. No, it's not going to be a wardrobe. Wardrobe is going over here in this section, just there, to the ceiling. Box that section off, isolate the batteries. I'll probably have a little hatch that I can get into them from this side. I've still got to work it all out, but I am wondering whether or not I can use that apple crate. I've got quite a few of those. 22 all in. I've never made slidey out drawers, and the first one was an absolute pain in the butt. Really was. You might be able to see them behind me. What do you reckon? I tried gluing them with some black Sikaflex, but yeah, it just made an absolute pig's ear of it. It absolutely did. I hope you can see that. I'm pretty sure you can. There they are. Yeah, so as you can see, 2 slidey out drawers. If I can get in there. There we go. Drawers for the clothes. But I tried gluing with some black Sikaflex and it didn't work, and I ended up getting it absolutely everywhere. So what I'm going to have to do is paint it. I'm going to have to gloss it. So the next day that's dry, it's going to get glossed. Put that back in a minute. Anyway, I need to know how you work it. But yeah, coming along, getting there. I was hoping to have got on a lot further than I have done, because here, right the way to here, another work unit, underneath storage, a few more bits and pieces, then from here, big wardrobe. At the bottom there, gas canister, right there, gas canister will go there. I've already got a drop vent situated, which will double as a drop vent for the batteries as well. So I'm going to seal those batteries off, isolate them, but I'll be able to get to them. I could do with an LPG gas engineer to come and test that. The propex hot water heater, and underneath here, you probably see the vent for it. Propex heater with a control panel. When I've had that control panel on, that one, there's a red light that flashes. It's as if it's getting no feed, no gas through, or there might be an error with it. I don't know what's going on with it. I'm not an expert, but I could do with somebody coming and taking a look at it. But before all this here, so I've got to make a slidey out bed to go in there, because this is eating up far too much space. It's not efficient use of the space that we have. So yeah, I could also do with somebody who knows what they're doing. Well, in fact, I'm hoping, Mov, if you're watching this, that you'll be able to help me out, because we need to sort the 12-volt electrics. Now, whilst I'm on shore power, it's great. I've got 240 volts, all the lights work that are connected in so far, but we need to see if those batteries are working first of all, and we need to test the system. I am absolutely buggered, been at it all day, and half my sandwich, that's how busy I was, doing two blinking drawers, but they're done now. They just need finishing off, sanding down slightly, painting, glossing, letting them dry. I think we'll be alright. I think we'll be okay. He's coming along, Jim. So I hope you can see that behind me. But that's what I've done today. Boxed it off. Where those planks of wood are, that area is going to be a slidey out tray. I'm going to have all my bits and pieces, tools, things like that, so I can slide it out, so whenever I need to get access to my tools to do any bit of work, they'll be there. That's going to be our access to power at this moment in time, that generator, until I can get the solar sorted out. I've got a budget of around about 500 quid to get the solar panels, wiring and fixings. I'm sure I'll be able to figure it out as we go ahead, but I really don't want to. I really don't want to mess it up. So I'm hoping that in a couple of weeks' time, Mov, if you're watching, we can get this sorted. Oh yeah, didn't tell you that. There we go. Can you see them? Apple crates. A shelving, extra shelving. Yeah, I think we'll get there. The interior decoration in there for now is going to have to stay like that. There's an electric chemical toilet in there. I'm hoping that works. Otherwise it could get messy, couldn't it? Should I rip it out and put a composting toilet? What are your thoughts? I want to go with a composting toilet anyway, but should I do it now? I can easily build one, stick it in there. Got to make sure it's waterproof though. Let me know. See you when you get home.